Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another episode on TechnoBroSA, and in today's video I'm going to tell you why shouldn't you buy the all new MacBook Air launched by the world's largest tech company Apple. So before starting the video,
subscribe to TechnoBroSA and don't forget that bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a video.
So why shouldn't you buy the all new MacBook Air launched by the Apple? It is $130,000 model. It has the i5 8th gen processor with 8GB of RAM, 256 of SSD and the latest Big Sur OS, and it is priced at $130,000. So compared to the price, it is offering a good amount of specifications. So why shouldn't you buy this? The first reason, it has ditched the Mac power or the older magnetic charger that Apple used to have. It has only two USB-C ports, which is a great problem for anyone for their day-to-day lives, because two USB ports that are available on this MacBook Air makes more problem, like you have to carry an external adapter for putting in any cables from USB type A to Ethernet cable. You have to carry all types of adapter with you so you can connect the following things like external hard drive, your phone or even other things to your MacBook Air. Then the next thing is that it has the overheating problem. The MacBook Air, as it is slim, the cooling system in this aren't as good as the MacBook Pro or the last gen MacBook Air. So it has a massive heating effect which leads to battery drainage. As you know, heating leads to battery drainage. So the battery consumption on the MacBook Air will be higher than the MacBook Pro or even a better cooling system powered laptop. Then the next thing is, at the price of $130,000, other brands like Microsoft, MSI, Asus or even HP offers a better specifications than Apple is offering on its latest MacBook Air. So I would rather tell you to buy a Windows laptop branded by a Microsoft Surface Pro or even HP, MSI, Asus or any other brands in place of the MacBook Air. The reason is it has higher specification, and if you're a gamer, then MacBook Air isn't fit for you because it doesn't deliver the performance for a gaming PC or a gaming laptop. The next thing, the speakers are underpowered, not the greatest speakers in the laptop world. The last gen MacBook Air had a fantastic speaker, but the Apple's decision to change the speaker orientation led to dip in the quality. So I want to see, if Apple manufactures another MacBook Air next gen, so they should put back the speakers where it was previously, under the keyboard, not beside the keyboard. Then it has other problems like it hangs. I don't know why, but yes, it hanged a lot of time while you were opening the lid of the laptop. I don't know, that is the problem in this MacBook Air. I have the previous gen MacBook Air, it didn't hang. I don't know, please respond in the comment section if you know the reason behind this. So with that said, a sub to the channel will be great. As it is Apple, I don't want to end this video on a negative note. So it has the faster transfer speed because it has the USB type C ports, which delivers a higher speed data transfer over the USB type A, as it has the Thunderbolt and even the USB type C 3.0. Then it has the 30-watt fast charging. It is light and it is extremely slim compared to other laptops at this price point, which leads to more compactability, and it will be easy to carry around while you are going to college, to work or even any other place. And it is a great subsidiary to your tablet as it has more power than your day-to-day tablet, and it will give a better performance than your smartphone or even tablet. So it will be a great replacement for that. But in the laptop section, it might not deliver that much of performance. So the other thing is that it has the headphone jack. It did not ditch the headphone jack on the MacBook Air, and the Retina display on this MacBook Air is awesome, truly awesome. And the other thing is that as it is Apple, you will get a software update support for the next 5 years, whereas on the Windows, you will be stuck at the Windows 10 with few minor updates, whereas on the Mac OS, you will have major updates for your MacBook Air if you buy this MacBook Air. So with that said, I want to end this video. So signing off for now. Bye.